Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you want to have the percentage inside the battery icon or next to it, then all you have to do is to simply enter the settings. Here let's scroll down and find notifications and control center. And here we have to go to the status bar. Let's tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got the battery indicator option. So let's tap, and here we've got three different styles from which we can choose. So we've got only the battery indicator, the indicator with the percentage inside the battery icon, or next to the battery icon. So it's of course up to you which option you'd like to use. I will pick, for example, this option, and as you can see, it is immediately applied, which simply means that from now on your device will display the exact percentage of the usage of the battery next to or inside the battery icon. So basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Xiaomi 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.